Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you my treadmill. This is Horizon Fitness Treadmill and I'm just gonna look at it and show you certain things. This part right here, you can put your iPad or tablet or whatever as you're sitting here doing your exercise. And if you need to, they have the barcode scan thing that you can scan and get directions. We got the incline right here that goes to 10, and you can press it while you're doing that, or you can do the incline right here while you're actually on it, and the speed is over here. It is a pretty, it's regular size. It holds up to 300 pounds, and it goes from 50 inches to 55 inches running area. So it is good for me because I'm just sitting here really trying to just get a little bit of exercise done. I'm going to see if you can see what I'm about to do. I'm going to put this on. This is safety. Put it on my shirt. And then I am going to press start. And it gives you the countdown. And there it goes. So we are going to get a little bit of an incline. Maybe 1 is good for me. And I'm not going to make it go too fast at all. It's already going. Put the speed up a little bit. Maybe like that right now. And see, I can walk. And that's how I do it. I get on the sides and then I can walk. And I'm only going to do about 10 minutes because I don't want my knee to start hurting me too much. But I do need to do some exercise and walk. And this is what we're doing. And that is my Horizon Fitness Treadmill.